Welcome back. In this session, we'll be talking about safe operations and understanding incapacitations, whether they are physical or mental. sUAS crew members are not required to obtain an Airman Medical Certificate. However, they may not participate in operations if they know or have reason to know that they have a physical or mental incapacitation which may interfere with the safety of the operations. Examples of physical or mental incapacitations include debilitating physical condition, such as a migraine headache or severe body aches or pains, the inability to maintain proper situational awareness, any loss of dexterity or blurred vision, a speaking impairment, or a hearing impairment. Although if there are alternate methods of communication for people with hearing impairments, this is okay.